First collaborative activity, group light blue.
To find the vertical asymptotes, we will have to equal the denominator to 0 and solve for x. 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 will be factorized into 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 1. Then we equal both to 0 and solve for x. The vertical asymptotes will be 3 over 2 and negative 1 over 3. The second step would be factorizing and simplifying. We will have to check if there is anything we can cross out and later use to find the whole coordinates. 6x squared plus 11x plus 3 will be factorized into 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 1, making it possible to simplify from the numerator and the denominator.
Step 3. After being able to cross out 3x plus 1, we will equal it to 0 to find the x coordinate of the whole. Step 4. Now that we have our x for the coordinate whole, we will place it in our new function. This gives us negative 7 over 11, which is also known as the y of the coordinate whole. When the whole is in touch with the vertical asymptote, you have to replace the asymptote with the whole.
With our new function, we will find the horizontal asymptote by assigning a as the number next to the greatest exponent in the numerator, b as the number next to the greatest exponent in the denominator, n as the greatest exponent in the numerator, and m as the greatest exponent in the denominator. Now we have to evaluate. In this case, n is equals to m and y is a over b. So that means that y is 2 over 2 and our horizontal asymptote is equals to 1.
Step 7. Now we have to find our y-intercept by replacing every x in the function by zeros, just as I'm doing right here. After that we simplify and we get the y-intercept, which is minus 1. Step 8. Now to find the x-intercept, we will have to equal the equation to 0 and solve for x. After this, you just need to simplify and you get your x-intercept, which is minus 3/2.
Now we can start graphing the horizontal asymptote and the vertical asymptote and the coordinate whole to see how the graph would look like. Because it is positive, our functions will be graphed in the third and first quadrant.
Now you can start evaluating points by substituting them inside of your x to see where the coordinates are going to be placed. Find the domain using as reference the x coordinate of the whole and the vertical asymptote. Find the range using as reference the y coordinate of the whole and the horizontal asymptote.